Hi, welcome back to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log in to Eastern Bank account online using your desktop. If you'd like to log into your Eastern Bank account online, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.easternbank.com and press enter. The official website for Eastern Bank will look like this. In order to log into your account, go to the top right hand corner where you can see the login button. Click it on and an expanded menu should appear. Select either personal or business from the top of the pop-up. Since I'm going to log into my personal account, let me click on this option and now enter the username for your account. Make sure all of the spellings that you typed in are correct. If you're not enrolled for online banking for Eastern Bank yet, you can click on this enroll link right beneath the sign in button. Follow the instructions and you'll be able to create a new account for yourself. Once you have an account, type in your username just like how I showed it to you just now and click on sign in. On the next page, you'll be able to see another pop-up. If you'd like the system to remember your username, you can check this box right here that says Save Username. But if you're using a public device or a shared device, uncheck this box before moving on. In case you don't remember your username, click on the Forgot Username link. Follow the instructions to look for your username. Now, type in your password in the next text field. Make sure to type in your password correct. To double check your password, you can click on this little eye icon in the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. In case you don't remember your password, you can also click on this Forgot Password link in order to reset your password to a new one, which will be much easier for you to remember next time you log into your account. Finally, after everything's typed in correct, click on the sign in box and you'll be logged in to your Eastern Bank account in no time. That is all for today's video. I hope you learned how to do it. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.